Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to reset folder options to their default settings in Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, press Windows plus E to open File Explorer. In Windows 11, click the three dots menu and select Options. If you are using Windows 10, click View and then Options. You can also search folder options in a start menu and open the same by clicking that. When the folder options window opens, stay on the General tab. Then click on the Restore Defaults button. Next, switch to View tab. Click the Restore Defaults button again. Finally, click on the Apply and then OK. That's it. Your folder options are now restored to their default settings. This can help fix File Explorer issues caused by incorrect settings, such as hidden files not displaying properly or file extension being hidden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.